this question is from number theory. In this question, we need to find the largest number out of these three numbers. To solve this question, we will be using one rule of exponents, that is a raised to power m bracket raised to power n gives us a raised to power m times n. We will be using this rule to find the answer. We will solve this question in two parts. Let's start with part 1. In part 1, we will be comparing 10 raised to power 8 and 5 raised to power 12. Let's see how we can write 10 raised to power 8. 10 raised to power 8 can be written as 10 square raised to power 4, which will give us 100 raised to power 4. Correct? How we can write 5 raised to power 12? We can write it as 5 raised to power 3 raised to power 4. What I'm doing here is I'm using this exponent rule that I told in the beginning. Now, what is 5 raised to power 3? 5 raised to power 3 is 125. So this gives us 125 raised to power 4. Now, we can easily compare these two numbers because their powers are same. Since their powers are same and bases are different, we will be comparing these numbers based on their bases. As we can see, the base 125 is greater. This number will automatically be greater. Yes. So out of first two numbers, we can clearly say that 5 raised to power 12 is greater than 10 raised to power 8. Let's jump to second part of the solution. In second part, we will be comparing 10 raised to power 8 and 2 raised to power 24. 10 raised to power 8 can be written as it is, whereas 2 raised to power 24 can be written as 2 cube raised to power 8. Yes. Why I'm writing it like this? Because to compare two numbers, either we need to make the bases same or we need to make the powers same. Yes. So in this question, I'm trying to make the power same like I did in part 1. In part 1, we made the powers same. Yes. Then compared the numbers. In this part as well, I'm trying to make the powers same so that we can compare these two numbers. Correct? And again, I'm using this exponent rule that I told in the beginning. So 10 raised to power 8 can be written as it is, whereas 2 cube, 2 raised to power 3 is 8 raised to power 8. Correct? Now the powers are same and bases are different. And clearly I can say that 10 raised to power 8 will be greater than 8 raised to power 8. Correct? So I can say 10 raised to power 8 is greater than 8 raised to power 8. So using these two, which is the largest? Please tell. If I use these two, which is the largest number? I can clearly say that 5 raised to power 12 is the largest number here. So this will be my final answer. 5 raised to power 12 is the largest number.